Yeah, so we're finally gonna install the headers. Got them in like probably like a month ago. Nah, not even, like 3 weeks ago. These are right here, 1 7/8, 2M headers, catless, offer white pipe, and yeah, I was gonna send it to a shop, but they're gonna charge me about 600 to 800 bucks. So I was like, nah. I mean, something that I can do at my house, or at least I can try to do. I'll just rather do that. But yeah, I mean, hopefully everything goes well. I am gonna take my time. I'm gonna just do it day by day. I'm not in a hurry. Just after work on it, go to bed, next day, and just like that. So hopefully we'll finish it by Friday or Saturday. I'll keep y'all updated. Just little small updates, letting y'all know how the installation is going, and I already ordered the retune also, so hopefully that comes in. And yeah, that's about it. All right, so this is the progress already. Got one cut out. I haven't loosened up the manifold yet, but that's the next step. And then the other one, I still need to cut that off since it's welded on there. Where's that? Right there. But yeah, I think we do need to remove the motor mount bolts so we can lift the engine a little bit, and a couple other things, and I mean that's pretty much it. I'll update you on some other progress, and yeah, it's coming along, guys. But yeah, this is the next day already. Barely got off of work, so yeah, we're gonna do that. And then hopefully finish it off tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully finish it off and take it to the shop so we can get it welded. Hopefully they're open so I can be driving it already. But yeah, keep y'all updated. Alright guys, we finally got this piece of shit out. It's a little hard because you do have to release the cross member and loosen up some other bolts. Since my shit was welded, I had to cut it off, couldn't reach it, didn't have the right wheel, so I had to just bend it. Keep on bending till I heat it up so I could break it off. But yeah, that's the OEM manifold. And we're gonna start removing the motor mount bolts so we can take off the manifold already. I don't want to see those pieces. Alright guys, well, this is the difference between the OEM from factory manifold and the header. So there's a big difference right there, as y'all can see. This one is the driver's side. The top bolts were pretty easy. I think I had to do like 3 by hand and then just 1 with the impact. And then the bottom, that was a little tricky. The two first ones, I could have done it by impact, but I just did it by hand with the ratchet. And then the middle ones on the stock one were, you know what? No, just one of the middle ones. The one that you have to remove the mount, the engine mount, bolt, so you can lift up the engine. I'm gonna have to do that, but for the other side, I'm not too sure yet. But on this side, I didn't have to. You just, little tip, guys. You just you need an extension, a long extension, 2 swivels, and you're gonna put the extension through there. You're gonna fit it through there. It's gonna come out through the other side, and it's gonna go right through there. That bolt right there, one of those 2 bolts. And you're gonna use the ratchet to loosen it up, and then you can use the drill or the impact to then loosen it up faster, I guess. But yeah, this side is done, as y'all can see. So we're gonna put in the header, or get the other side done actually, just so it can look more complete. But yeah. Alright guys, this is gonna be the first startup. The headers are now installed, and hopefully we don't have no leaks. So this is without a muffler. It's gonna be straight piped because our muffler shop was closed, so we're gonna be like this for the meantime. Go ahead. It's gonna sound like shit. God damn. Alright guys, so headers are finally installed like y'all seen, and like I mentioned, the muffler is cut off, so it's really fucking loud. But we are installing the tune, and should be good right there. Tune installed successfully. Turn key out for 10 seconds and then start the vehicle. This thing is super loud, like annoyingly loud. But it sounds good. I mean, if I didn't have neighbors, I'd rock it. Alright guys, y'all ready? So this is from inside the cabin. I tried attaching the muffler pipe to the white pipe just a little bit, just so it wouldn't be too rowdy, and so we could try it out later. But this is how it sounds. Damn.
Oh my god, it's not supposed to sound like that, but
Alright guys, so we are gonna head up these couple of days to a exhaust shop, hopefully get it fixed up with the new exhaust setup. So y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Some good setups. I right now have a Flow FX, which is the perfect exhaust setup for a truck with, I mean, small mods, you know, no headers or white pipe with cats. But now, yeah, it's bad. So yeah guys, y'all like, subscribe, and let me know what y'all think.